He said he got some fraud shit on his card for using it in a different state.
I could pay it, all right? Please?
You've already tried to pay it.
I know, but my card's not working on my phone.
What happens when your cards fail, but the drinks are already gone? Is that theft or just bad luck? The answer depends entirely on one word: intent.
So he's got someone on the phone trying to send him some money, but like his Apple Pay cards and shit weren't working, so I don't know how this is gonna go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He's trying to pay with a credit card or Apple Pay?
Credit. Well, he gave me a card that said transaction not allowed. He said he got some fraud shit on his card for using it in a different state. You know, the usual bullshit. But yeah, now he's like trying to call people to send him money or whatever.
So
but if the cards ain't working, I just don't understand how
so
that's
he's
gonna
drunk
work.
now, right? He sounds like
he's getting there, yeah.
All right.
How much is it?
Baby, what? It's 96.42.
Try this one. Oh, sorry.
Nope. Maybe after this one, I'm gonna have to let him handle it.
He's already home, bro.
No.
Fuck.
Give me a copy of the receipt and everything.
You need a copy of the receipt?
Yeah.
Right.
Dude, you got money to pay for your bill or not?
Yeah, I got money to pay for the bill, but the tip ain't working. Just give me 2 seconds.
I've been here for more than 2 seconds, so she's ran 3 cards. They've all been declined. So it's either you pay for the bill or you ain't got the money.
What happens after that? You gonna arrest me?
Theft of services, yeah.
You're gonna put me in jail?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You ain't paying your bill, dude. You got.
I got money to pay it though.
So why wouldn't pay it?
Nah, I didn't. Take with my drinks, bro. Come on, man. Shoot me those couple bucks over and I'll send you 300, man. I don't know why my bank account ain't working, bro, but just please send it to my Apple Pay, man. They're about to arrest me. I'm at the airport. Yeah, I got a cop right here.
Let me talk to the cop.
Nah, he ain't gonna talk to you, bro.
Because you're a bullshit artist, so did
You want to talk? You want to talk? Yeah, officer. Here you go.
I don't need to talk to him. I need you to pay your bill. They want to go home.
I know.
I don't want.
understand.
I don't want to deal with this
He
crap.
has a ticket for a flight. Complete. Listen, put it on speaker, dude.
It's on
Search
fucking.
it. He has a fucking ticket for a
Nah, I
flight.
gotta pay my bill for my fucking dinner, man.
Oh my god.
Hold on, let me.
What is wrong with you?
Harry, shut the
Just
fuck
get on
up.
the fucking flight.
I ain't getting on no flight until I pay my bill. Just relax. All right, let me send you the bread. I don't know why
I'm
my.
not sending you any fucking money, Tracy.
Who the fuck you have with you, bro? Because I'm gonna send them the money right now, and they can send it back. Very simple.
If you have the money, why don't you pay that?
It's just getting declined. I've been in Florida, so I'm from New York. I have
Okay.
Take the
Chase.
card from officer. Take the card.
It's right
and
there,
try-
they have
try
it.
to swipe it.
Harry, just you know what? I'm gonna call my dad. Just please. You're being
Bro, give the fucking phone to the officer. Put it
no,
on
you can't
speaker,
talk
dude.
to a fucking police officer like that. Show some respect, man. Come on.
Yo, take the card from him and try to swipe it, officer. Just try to swipe it. He's a f***ing liar.
All right, you know what, bro? I'm gonna have to.
Where's the card at?
This one?
Did you try to
This
swipe?
one says
Where's my
transaction
other
not allowed.
Transaction not
Where's
allowed.
my other one?
You didn't give me another one.
Yeah, I gave you 2. I have 2 cards. 100%. I have 2 debit cards. And I have a credit card.
Tracy?
Yeah. Sorry, officer. I don't mean to waste your time, man. Don't listen to me.
Nope. Both cards declined.
You got a credit card? Both of these are declined. You got a credit card?
Yeah, let's see. Where's my credit? Yeah, you know what? Here, try this. I have it on my phone. I'm sorry, sir. I don't know. Call my dad.
Just worry about the credit card right now. Don't worry about calling your dad.
Hello?
I'm trying to have my credit card,
No,
Dad.
it's his phone.
Why did they give you the penalty? I don't know what to tell you, Tracy. I don't know what to do. I can't do anything. I'm trying.
I'm about to get arrested, so you're gonna have to get me in jail because there's an officer here, bro, and my f***ing card's not working, dude. Put money on Apple Pay, man, so I can f***ing pay this bill, please.
I don't have any money, Tracy.
How do you not have money? We don't have a multi-million-dollar business, dude. Put money on Apple Pay, you idiot. Right there.
All my money.
I stole all your money. Okay?
Come on, let's go. Come on. They want to go home.
Yo, Mike, can you do me a big favor, bro?
What?
Can you shoot me? What's the bill, guys?
$97.
Alright, can you shoot me $115 and I'll send it right back to you tomorrow morning?
Why do you need $115?
Because I got an officer next to me and they think I'm trying to run out on a bill and I'm trying to use all my cards and they ain't working. And these girls gotta go home. Well, one of you guys. Which one of you guys can hook me up? Got it?
Do you understand how you are?
Alright, dude, shut the f up and help me out, buddy. You're supposed to be my friend. I would do it for you.
Yeah, but dude, everyone's been helping you this whole weekend. Dude, you have to go to jail. Put the officer on the phone.
Alright, go f yourself.
That's really not the way to get the money, but all right. This your last chance, bro. And then we're done. This your ID right here?
Come on, man. Why do you gotta be like that to me, man? I'm not a bad
Hello?
person.
I didn't say you were a bad person, but you got a meal and all these drinks that you ain't paid for.
It's gonna take me to f***ing jail, bro.
Theft
I
of
need money
services,
right
bro.
now.
Let's give him cash.
I don't fucking have the. Do I have cash in there?
I don't know.
Harry fucking do.
But you don't have no cash.
Mike, I'm about to go to jail, dude. Please. I'll send it right back to you.
You just told me to go f myself.
Because you guys are all being.
How are we being, bro? You're being a spending money you don't have.
Well, I have it though, guy. It's
You
just
tried
not.
to steal from Dick Nick.
Who the f said that, Nick?
Bro, do you understand how pumped the fuck out you are? None of us are being Dick. You are being the Dick, bro.
You're out of your mind if you think I tried to steal money, you fucking guys, bro.
Okay, Tracy, you need help, dude.
Alright, bro.
You really do need help.
Do me a favor, bro. Send me. How much is that bill?
$97.
We're done. We're done.
Send me 100. All right. Thank you very much, you bag. Now I'm going to jail. You
We're done.
yourself. I'm gonna beat your ass.
We're
I'm
done.
gonna see you.
Hang up the phone. Let's go. We're
So what
done.
happened? You walk it out?
Next time I see you, bro, you get knocked the f out.
Let's go. Is that your walker right there?
Yeah, it is my walker. Officer, I'm not doing anything wrong, man.
Dude, it's theft of services, dude. You ate a meal and got drinks that you can't pay for.
I can pay for it. It's not going through, all right?
And it's an
Officer, I
hour
have the
after
money.
closing.
It's just not going through. I don't know
Then you
why.
can't pay for it.
I can. I just didn't know that it was. I didn't know it was not gonna go through. I've chased.
So why don't you Apple Pay me if you have the money?
You want me to Apple Pay you?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name on
I
Apple
got
Pay?
you. I'll give you the phone
No,
number
just
to
give me
Apple
your
Pay
number.
me.
Put it right there, and I'll Apple Pay you.
All right, if we could do that, then she's
But-
if
I
she's cool with that.
Officer, I
If
don't want to start
if
a
the
problem.
money actually comes through,
Does it come through instantly or what?
yeah, it will.
It's instant, instant transfer.
And if it don't, then
Then
we're done with this crap. So
I'm not trying to make a problem for you. So I'm
all
just
right,
sitting
y'all.
here.
Give me just a second. I'm about to see something.
Just scroll down. All you gotta do is swipe downwards.
Baby, I know how to work an iPhone.
Okay, so work it.
I am.
I mean, I probably gave you more tips than anybody did in here tonight. I mean, I've been
No,
hooking
baby,
you
I
up on
highly
every
doubt
bill.
that.
Okay.
You don't know what kind of tips I make.
Well, that's good for you, but I did give you many tips. And,
You have not given me anything. You haven't even paid your bill.
I haven't given you anything.
No. Here.
How much is the bill? 100 bucks?
97.
97, bro.
I got like 10 cars.
It said it failed.
I know.
It's not gonna work. Go ahead. All right, Dre.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
Do I-
It ain't gonna work, dude. If you're trying to use the same card as you are before, it's not gonna
I
work.
used the same card. I had 3 cards.
Dude, it's declining, man. Let's go.
2 seconds. Please, officer. Please, give me 2 seconds.
Dude, I've been standing here 10 minutes. I've given you.
I know, dude. Have my
Stop
dad.
answering the phone, dude. Let's go.
It's my dad. Please.
I understand that, but I don't really care. So, is all this stuff your stuff?
Officer, please, can you give me 2 seconds so I can pay this bill, please?
You can't pay it, dude. You've already tried to pay
I
it.
can. I can pay it. All right, please.
You've already tried to pay it.
I know, but my card's not working on my phone. I don't know. I left my wallet in Florida.
Your wallet's right there.
I mean, my card. I don't have my...
You got 2 cards right there.
No, I have my... Look, this is my old card. See this? This is where I kept my card. This is my old card. I got a new card. All right, I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Let me call my little brother. He's with my dad. Please, please just give me One more second. I really don't want to get arrested and stay in Florida. I want to go.
You're not in Florida. You're in Georgia.
Georgia, wherever it is. You know, I live in New York. I'm not from here.
Okay.
We had a wedding. I'm sorry. I apologize. All right, one second. I apologize, officer. I really don't want to hold you up. Really, I do not. I'd rather you be home and just relax. You know, you have a great.
Well, I'm here till 7 in the morning. It ain't gonna bother me none. But they want to go home, so you're holding them up.
I know, and I apologize. I apologize to her already. Dad, I'm about to get arrested, dude. You gotta send me the money right now, please. My card's not working. I got an officer right next to me. You're on speaker. Please, send me some money, man. Please.
Oh, it's me, not Dad.
What?
What? That's it. You gotta phone Dad.
Tierney, aren't you with Dad?
She's on the phone with Terrence.
Why'd you say she? What do you mean she? That's Mom.
That's Mom.
I have an officer right next to me. All right, my card's not working. I have to go home. Please, Tierney. I'm gonna be in.
What do you want me to do?
Who you with?
Dad.
So let me talk to Dad.
Dude, let's go. You already talked to your dad. And didn't you tell him to F off? So do you need this to walk?
I'm getting arrested, dude. Please, man. I need $200. Please, dude. I'm getting arrested, man.
Why did you waiting up a bill when you have no money?
Because I had it, but it's not going through. I don't know why it's not going through. I don't understand, bro. Please, somebody send me a couple hundred. I'll send it back. I have it. All right?
Give it to him then.
It's not working. What don't you f***ing understand? All I have is my phone, Dad. Please. My card is gone. I don't have the correct card. I have my credit card. Stop working. Please. This guy's got the cuffs out on the table. I'm about to go to jail, dude. I don't want to sit in jail all night. Please, Dad.
Tracy, I told you, man, I don't have any fucking
All right.
money on me right now.
Tell,
man.
all right. Tell Mom. Oh, stay on the phone.
All right, let's go.
Can I please call my mom and that's it?
No, that's you've called a lot of people, dude. I've been patient.
Officer, please, can you give me one more phone call?
No, dude.
Dad, you're a f***ing asshole, dude.
Let's go.
I'm going to jail now. Thank you very much.
Man, give him my credit card, Tracy.
Can you take his credit card?
I don't know. That's up to them. They've
Guys,
already, they've already logged out.
Excuse me.
They've already logged out.
Can I ask the girl, please?
Have y'all already logged out? You've already. Yeah, everything's closed out. It's done. They're done. They can't do it. So.
All right, I'm going to be in jail in Florida. Thank you. Have a good night, man. Thank you very much, Dad. I'm done. I'm getting
What am I
arrested.
supposed to do, Tracy?
You're supposed to give me your card, you f***ing asshole.
All right, let's go. Stop all that cussing out here. Let's go. Come on.
Give it to you.
So give it to me. Give it to the officer immediately.
They can't. They've already logged out of the system. It's closed down. It's done.
So you're going to take me to jail and you're going to give me a ticket for this?
You're not getting a ticket. You're going to jail. You have to bond out.
I'm going to jail and I got to bond out.
Yep.
Because they said
Theft of services.
That doesn't make sense, bro. I paid that.
You didn't pay them. You had services here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drinks for $96. You can't pay for your drinks,
Can you let her try to run?
so you stole the drinks.
Can you please try to run these cards, please?
No, they're done. So we're going.
I've ran all of your cards over and over again.
We're going.
God, man.
Let's go.
I hate to do it, but
Thank you
it is
very
what
much.
it is.
Appreciate
What
it.
do you think of me for, Tracy?
I gotta go to f***ing jail now, you asshole.
Why would you do that?
Let's go.
What do you mean, why? You hear that, officer? Let's go. You hear that? That's a cop. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You gotta cuff me, man.
Yeah,
Jail's right here, ain't it?
The jail's not in the airport. No, we got to drive down the road.
Thank you, honey.
Baby, you're the one who can't pay.
You're a sweetheart.
I tried.
Look at you.
Don't blame her for this. So let's go. Come on.
Blame her for this.
Come on.
Sweetheart, this girl.
I got a job to do too.
Come on.
You're good. You got a great job.
Put your hands together like you're praying, baby.
If you were a nicer girl, maybe you'd make more money.
Hey,
Hey, baby, you don't know how much money I make. Obviously, you're the one without the money.
hey, just
I'm sorry.
let's go over there.
Come to my house in New York and you'll see what
Just
money
hey,
is.
just so you need us to walk in, right?
You know, where do you live? Middle of f***ing nowhere?
Yeah.
Georgia Code Section 1685 defines theft of services as the knowing procurement of services with intent to avoid payment. The statute does not criminalize the inability to pay. It criminalizes the decision not to pay. That distinction is the legal foundation of this entire case. Georgia courts draw a firm line between deliberate evasion and good faith payment failure. A defendant who genuinely believed payment would succeed lacks the mens rea required for conviction. Mens rea or criminal intent is not optional under Section 1685. Without it, there is no crime. Under Maryland v. Pringle. 2003. Probable cause requires only a reasonable basis to believe an offense occurred, not certainty of guilt. 3 cards declined across 2 networks. Consume services, and no viable payment alternative satisfy that threshold on the surface. But probable cause built on surface facts can collapse under a single bank record. United States v. Watson confirms that officers may arrest without a warrant in a public place when probable cause exists for a misdemeanor committed in their presence. Georgia law independently authorizes this. The arrest was procedurally lawful. The question is whether the underlying charge will survive scrutiny. The defense turns on one document: bank records. Out-of-state fraud holds are an automated security function in major banking systems. If records confirm that funds existed, but were blocked by a fraud hold, not by insufficient balance, the prosecution cannot establish intent under Section 1685. One call to the bank fraud line at the scene could have resolved the entire incident. That call was never made. Lesson learned: when a card is declined out of state, immediately call the bank fraud line. Request that the officer witness the call. Ask the bank representative to verbally confirm the hold on speaker. This converts a criminal narrative into a documented banking dispute, and it fundamentally changes what any prosecutor or jury can infer about intent. So was this a crime or a system failure? If bank records show available funds, what happens to the charge? Does the arrest hold up in court? Or does it expose the department to a wrongful arrest claim? The handcuffs are on. The law is still open.